Hey guys, I'm Dev back with another Affinity Photo tutorial. Today I will show you how to remove unwanted part from your image in Affinity Photo. First, select your image, make a copy of it by Ctrl J. Select freehand selection tool. Now select the whole part that you need to remove, like this. Then go to top menu, Edit, Fill. You can also select Edit in Paint. Both work same, but here I am using Edit, Fill. Now here, activate in Painting. Now apply. Ctrl D, deselect. See girl gone from the image, but few hairs left on the image. You can simply use healing brush tool or again in painting brush tool from here. And brush on those parts to remove those harsh parts. Just brush on it like this. See before and after. Now using same steps, I am removing unwanted part from few more sample of images. And that's it. Done. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Affinity Photo, then subscribe this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. You can support me on my Instagram account, link in video description. And also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will back with another video soon. Till then, keep practicing, cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.